Alright guys, so today now our Tractor Supply will look for Christmas stuff for 2020. Yeah, and it looks like I see stuff. Yes, Alright. Let's see what they got. And yeah. Alright guys, here we are. Oh, look what we got here. We got the pouncing cow guy. I don't know where to play it though. I don't know where to put it though, but I'll put it over here. I think this thing is broken, I think. What the heck? The tag? What the heck? There you go. Alright, here it is. See it? Alright, that was that. They got the... they got the goat, of course. Okay, and back here we got the chickadees. I do want to get this one to go on my 2019 one. I'm not sure why the heads are sideways on these, but it's dumb how they do that. The chick is still heads. Yeah, I didn't want this to go on my other one. And guys, where's the feet? Where's the feet? Alright guys, got the pig. Oh god, they got this damn thing.
I see you.
Where's the baby? Yeah, you suck. I think that's it, pretty much. Alright guys, so that was Tractor Supply Christmas 2020, yeah. Sorry this is a short video, I don't know, I'm kind of in a rush right now, so yeah. Like, how subscribe, bye.